Welcome back, traders, for another video. In this video, we are going to be covering and talking about CCIV and Lucid Motors and why I want in on this deal, which can possibly happen tomorrow. If you own any of CCIV or plan to buy like myself, make sure to stick around to the end because we will be covering all the recent news, and hopefully by the end of the video you have a clear idea of where the support resistance levels are and where we stand and what we can expect headed into tomorrow. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We go live every day, Monday through Friday at Market Open, and we definitely will be covering CCIV. Also, throwing in real quick, we're covering AMC as well. We're still holding. Look at this push. We're retesting these highs here at 679. My analysis still stays the same. I'll keep you guys updated on AMC. Hopefully we hit $8 before earnings on Thursday. We'll be covering that live as well, and the next congressional hearing, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Leave a like on the video. Without further ado, let's hop right into CCIV. So right off the bat, some clear and concise technical analysis. We have some resistance right around the highs of 74.86. We retested that this morning here on the 5-minute. We can clearly see it got rejected, but where's the support? Right around 55. We had a massive seller here, but look at this. Look how fast this dip got ate up. That seems to me, and it gives me the signal that people are buying and there is demand for CCIV. What price do I want to buy in at? I don't think I'll see $50. If the deal does happen through and goes through tomorrow, guys, I would not be surprised to see $80, possibly even $100. Bloomberg says the deal is happening tomorrow. Valuation is still uncertain, but it is around the $12 to $15 billion mark, which tends to be in accordance to the price of $50 to $60, depending on the valuation tomorrow. If it is around 15, maybe even above $15, we can retest those highs. If there is no deal tomorrow and we still get beat around the bush, I think might be a potential slight sell-off with people thinking, you know what, I'm not speculating this anymore. Maybe the deal is not going to happen until next week. I want to take my profits. And that to me is the opportunity where I see I could buy. Hopefully maybe 50s. Like I said, I do think the deal can go through tomorrow and we see a pop in CCIV. I didn't get it early. I didn't get in this when it was trading in the $10, $20 mark because keep in mind that it was just all a rumor at that point. And I was so sold on the fact that there wasn't going to be a deal. But here I am wrong and I'm buying at the higher price. But we'll talk about why that's not so much of a bad idea. If you're holding from the $10 to $20 mark, I'm not a financial advisor. Take this with a grain of salt. But I think you're in the clear. I think you're in at an amazing price and it wouldn't make sense to sell now. If I was you, if you're holding 10, 20, maybe even 30s, I'll hold this bad boy for the long run. Also, is this a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event? I don't think so. I think people are eyeing this as the next Tesla, which we'll cover right now. And as you can see here, it's still pushing up. Hopefully we retest these highs tomorrow pre-market. Maybe even pre-market we gap up, but we'll see. Buyers are waiting on confirmation, like myself. I'm waiting on confirmation, and I know there's a lot of people lined up. As soon as this deal is probably confirmed tomorrow, there's going to be a wave of buyers coming in, baby. If there is no deal tomorrow, or actually if there is the deal tomorrow, you're going to have the FOMO chasers also pushing and pumping this up, and this could just go parabolic. Keep in mind, when GameStop was at 75, I told my people, we're going to 100, baby. People watch these whole numbers like that. And if it's at 60, 75, 80 bucks, people are going to speculate it's going to 100. So watch those whole numbers. The next pop also on CCIV and Lucid down the road can be the sign of first couple of deliveries. Make sure you also watch the NASDAQ because earlier today we were selling off crazy. We're still holding some of the Tesla shares here, which we'll cover right now. It is pulling back once again towards the low a day, so we're probably down on that position as well. Yeah, we're down 100. We were up earlier, but we didn't cover any profits. But make sure you watch the NASDAQ because this can also weigh down on CCIV as the selling pressure continues. But for some competition on Tesla, keep in mind that fact alone that people are speculating that this is the next Tesla is gonna attract people to buy, and CCIV and Lucid Motors is gonna eat away at Tesla's market share, which as of last year October I believe is 18%. Also, the CEO of Lucid currently is Peter Rawlinson, I believe, who was Tesla's top engineer, even for the Model S. And this is the most important part here, guys: long-term vision on Lucid, the brand growth. The brand's already growing itself with the deal that's possibly going on tomorrow. So if people think like this, people who miss Tesla won't miss this. If you possibly think like, hey, I missed Tesla when it was cheap, I wanted to get in, it would have been an amazing hold. People are thinking like that here. If they could get in cheap and hold for the long term, 20, 30 years from now, why not? That's the way I see it. I'm buying. Also keep on an eye on the institutions buying. Is ARK buying? I don't think they hopped in yet, but I'm pretty sure once the deal goes through and it's confirmed, they're going to hop right in. So I'm very excited for tomorrow. We'll probably live stream once the deal goes through. If you guys want that, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys who tuned in this morning for the live stream. We'll see you guys tomorrow early for another live stream. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys.